Good morning, Knee-High. My name is Miss Porter, and this is my friend Tyler. And today we're going to learn the days of the week in Spanish. Okay, so when I do this means repeat after me. And when I do this, I'm listening for you to repeat. And if you do everything right, or just try, you get a balloon. 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 You get a balloon, okay? All right, let's get started. Sunday in Spanish is domingo. Can you say domingo? Very good. Good job. Good job, Tyler. Monday is lunes. Can you say lunes? Can you say lunes, Tyler? Good job. Tuesday is martes, which is Tuesday. Martes. Can you say martes? Good job, Tyler. Our next day of the week, Wednesday, is miércoles. Can you say miércoles? Good job. Our next day of the week is Thursday, which is jueves. Can you say jueves? Very good. They're doing good, Tyler. Our next day of the week is Friday, which is viernes. Can you say viernes? Awesome. Our next day of the week is Saturday. Can you say sábado? Sábado? Very good. Yay! You get a balloon. Good job. Good job, Tyler. Let's give them a high five. Okay, now let's sing the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Let's do it again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Yay! You did such a good job. Okay, I'll see you later. Until next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.